So there we go, this is the next slide, when to use which protocol. So we have stated that within the AA model, we have two use cases, either device administration or network access. So when should you use which protocol and why? Now in general, we're going to be using Radius for network access. That is because TACACS Plus does not support the translation of ePOVA packets for authenticating network access requests from users or from devices. Likewise, TACACS Plus does not support common network access authorization attributes. Like TACACS Plus doesn't support to send authorization to enforce encryption or to send security group tags. So because TACACS Plus doesn't support ePOVA packets to be translated, it doesn't understand it, and also because TACACS Plus doesn't support most commonly used authorization attributes which are required to restrict network access, that's why I'm gonna be using Radius in order to provide users, in order to authenticate network access and authorize users for restricting network access. TACACS Plus is going to be mainly used, as you guessed and as you probably know, for device administration. That is mainly because Radius does not support command authorization and command accounting. And now we're going to speak on how command authorization works, but the problem why Radius doesn't support command authorization is because Radius combines both the authentication process and the authorization process in one single step. Both of them are going to happen at the same time. Like with Radius, you cannot get authorization without authentication in two different steps, or the other way around. While with TACACS, you're going to be able to authenticate now and later on ask for authorization. And that's what I need from the command authorization point of view, and that's why I'm going to make use of TACACS. So even though you can still use, for example, Radius for device administration, but only for the authentication part, in general, you're not going to see that being deployed commonly because it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense to use Radius for authentication and then TACACS Plus for authorization and accounting. Why don't you use TACACS Plus for all three scopes to begin with?